This is Sunday, the 5th of June, 2022. So we want to do a market analysis just to get a feeling of how price is going to move this week. I'm hoping to make this as quick as possible. So please like, subscribe, please comment on this video. If there's anything you'd like to see, just give me a shout and I will analyze it. I'm really interested in what you have to say. I'm really interested in your thoughts. So yeah, let's go. Just going to analyze these pairs that are available. So I like to remove all of this, and we start from a clean sheet, start fresh. I don't want there to be bias on my charts, so I don't want there to be bias on my charts. This is really nice. Let me check on the weekly time frame. So alright, so when we're trading V751s, just know that V751s is on a bearish trend. It's on a bearish trend. This is it's on a bearish trend. So if you're going to buy, you're buying to an EMA or a specific region, and then you're selling down. So until something changes, maybe we experience something else, but until something, we get confirmations. This is yeah. So I'm just interested to see if this will bounce. But for now, let's say that's rejected. So let's say that it's rejected till okay. Let me see if we can. Okay. So this area is important. Just want to draw an area of importance. We just want to draw an area that is really important. Why is it important? It's important because we have received rejection candles in that zone. So we've received rejection candles in this zone. So I want to see what it's going to do. But we've received rejecting candles there. Maybe reject to here. But again, let's go on smaller time frames. Let's see what's going on smaller time frames. Okay. Let's go to smaller time frames. So yeah, this is basically what we do when we're analyzing the charts. Okay, so it might buy. So we've got two biases there. I'm more interested probably in a buy, but I want you to see something, maybe a channel that's forming. I want you to see maybe a channel that's forming there. Look at that channel that's forming there. Alright, so I'm liking this for a fall there, then a rise up, maybe rise up to there. I'm not so much interested in buys on this, but it might keep trending in this region. So maybe we're selling it till here. Let's sell it till here, and let's see just how price is going to behave. So V75 once H4 sell. Let's just go on this and let's see what price is doing. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. All right. So Right, so this is my prediction on V751s on 15M. I want it to go down. I'm anticipating that it will go down there. EMAs are pointing down. They'll keep pointing down and pushing down for further sell. So let's just see how price is going to behave. I'm selling V751s. Let's go to V75. This outlook is important. It's good to have a weekly output. Remember, when we're analyzing, we analyze from the bigger time frames going down. We analyze from the bigger time frames going down just to see how price is behaving. We had anticipated that we're expecting a second leg on H4. Price seems to have come down in this region. So I'm still for the view that price is going to keep trending there. But this is telling me that it's going to go down. So I want price. I'm anticipating. Let me delete some of these. Alright. I want to see that region. I want to delete these boxes. I want to see this region. Right, and I'm going to start analyzing from the EMA, because the EMA gives us a good peak, good place to start from. Please remember to like and subscribe. And please use my link when opening a brokerage account. My broker is Deriv. Really good broker. The only broker that provides for provides synthetic indices. Okay, so it said it's going to come down there because we got that confirmation. Okay, so we got that confirmation. Could this be a bounce for that? Let's go on smaller time frames. Let's go on smaller time frames. Alright. Did price come out of that region? Okay. So, like I said, I was anticipating for price. Like I said, this was the move I was anticipating for price to come down there, then go up. I'm still hoping for that. This drop there. But it came out there. Look at what happens when price comes out after a breakout and it forms what's called a shark fin. It forms this on this price comes out there, then comes back in. Price comes out there, then comes back in. Alright, so I want to see what this is. Is that a peak? Why do I think that's a peak? Because price has given us that. It could have rejected that. So we just want to see. So if this is a peak, price might go there, then continue going up, or it might go there, come down, then. But now I'm liking it for a buy. So let me go on the smaller time frames. Let's see. Let's see what price is doing. Let's go on the M15. Let's go on the M15. I had anticipated before that we're expecting. Okay. So price might come there. I'm still liking it for a further sells, but then this is convincing me that price might still be going up. Let me see on the smaller time frames. Let me see on 5. Okay, so this is what's happening. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want price to push up. So we go on the smaller time frames. This is what I'm gonna hope for. Before price turns, I want you to see the behavior of the Amazon price turns. That'd be so far away. So if this is, I'm liking this H1. I'm really loving this H1. Okay, let me remove these so that you see what I'm saying on the H1. So you see what I'm saying on the H1. Oh, I'm really loving the H1. And it did exactly as I anticipated. Exactly as I anticipated. If this is 1, this 1. If this is 2, this is 1. Okay. I want price to fall there. So we're going to be looking for sell opportunities. But when do we sell? We only sell when price, when TDI has given us extra confirmations. Has it given us extra confirmations? Let me zoom in and open up. Okay, it's come out there. So I would want for price to then turn and come back in. So if we want early entries, maybe we can go on smaller time frames. I'm really liking the sell on V75. Liking the sell on V75. Wow. So basically, this is analysis. This is analysis. This is analysis. This is analysis. Okay, so this is what I want. If price rejects there, we're going to sell. Although this is an area of interest, we could see price, you see it's already rejecting there, but these EMAs are about to cross over here. So what we might see is price doing this, comes there, creates a peak, then it comes down. So this is what I'm seeing, getting same vibes over here. Or price could turn there, but then the thing is, when EMAs are about to cross, just know that there's a trend continuation. It's most people don't like indicators, but indicators give you extra confirmations. So V75, I'm for sells. I want it for sells. So we're going to look for sells there or there, then we continue going down. It has to complete. I want the level count to be completed. It rejected that, so let's hope maybe for peaks there or there. Let's just see how price is going to move in those regions. See maybe H1 still for level 1, 2, 3 level peak, level 1. So we are on 2. I want it to come drop down there, then we continue going up. So we are buying V75, preparing for that sell into level 3. Good just an overall good piece of trading. This has not changed. I like how it's moving. My bias has not changed on this, at least for now. Let me see on M15. Maybe we will get better views, right? So when your Bollinger Bands are squeezed, it means a breakout is about to come. But the problem is that where's the breakout going to come from? The breakout might come from a sell position. Why? Because it's already bounced on top there. But this is for spike, people who trade spikes. Could that be a peak on bigger time frame? Let's see. Peak 1. That'd be a peak on H4. Okay. So if it comes there, we could be looking for sells there, but I want structures to be completed. I wouldn't trade this per se, but it's giving us really good vibes for sells, maybe to here or to here. So crash 1000, we are selling it. Let's see bigger time frames. Bias on V100 has not changed. It's moving exactly in the region I said it was going to move in. Exactly in the region. It's just ranging there. 1, 2 buys up to the, and it's the areas that I'm telling you to mark. It's the areas that it's just not changing. It's just not changing. So V100 buy to L3, V75 sell to L3, and V75 ones 75 ones sell to previous low, to lower low. And let's just see how price is going to move on that. Okay, boom 1000, still respecting this range. I'm still going for boom 1000 buy. This is bigger time frame. Let's see the smaller time frames. Let's see if price has been moving well on the smaller time frames. Okay. So boom 1000 buy. Boom 1000 buy. 1, 2, to L3. To L3. Let's see if price is going to respect that. L3, 4. Let's see if price is going to respect that. Let's see what price is going to do. Crash 500 violated our setup. So let's look for other regions. Did it violate? It didn't, because it's in the region that I said it was going to go into. It's supposed to fall into level 3. Alright, so let's see, has price fallen into level 3? Not yet. There's still some momentum. It's gonna still continue going down. It's gonna keep on going down. It's gonna continue going down. I wouldn't trade this. There's a lot of ambiguity in this. Okay. Ah, man, me and Forex. Yo, price moves in the regions that I say it's gonna move. It rejects the areas that I say it's going to reject. Just look at what price has done there. But it's falling down. It comes that it's falling down. It's falling down. It's falling down. I'd wanted it to go up. Could that be that? Let's just see on smaller time frames. We'll do our level count on smaller time frames. Okay. If it rejects there, then it's coming down. Let's see on M5. Let's see on M5. Getting that there. I want it to still come there. So I wouldn't per se trade this also. I want to trade the most perfect setups, and this one is just not giving me good vibes right now. Okay. V25 has started its buy move up. This is going to be one of those trades where we hold. Okay, so you see how the EMAs are trending. You see how the EMAs are positioned. They're still going down. If it's peak formation and it's that sustained long peak formation, EMAs are going to be flat. EMAs are going to be flat, curving and flat. Right, so this is good, but we might see it going down there then that. So let's go on bigger time frames. Let's just see how price is behaving on bigger time frames. It's still falling, so not yet good enough for that long-term buy. So let's see on H1. Let's see on H1. We'll get really good positions for small buys. Hopefully it will give us some money. Let's see what the TDI is telling us. Okay, let's see M15, and we get entries from M15. Okay, second leg there. I'll bite till here. I'll bite till there. Let's see M5. CM5. Alright, let's come up there. Could bounce there. So I'd buy V25. At least maybe until these are the areas which put our these are the areas where we would put our take profits, and your stop loss would be somewhere there, and you let the trade move. Yeah, so I'm really happy about this. I really love what this did. It did exactly as I said it was gonna do. So yeah, it seems to be following a channel. So you just follow the channel, you see what price is gonna do. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, please subscribe, please share. Please like, please subscribe, please share. I hope that you're learning a lot. We are going to be going live pretty soon, so I'm really hoping that you're going to be with me as I'm going live. This is BeneFX. I'm so pleased to be sharing my journey with you. Yeah, have a wonderful Sunday and have a fruitful trading week. This is BeneFX, and I trade by the grace of God. Ciao.